In this video, we're going to show you how to track Outgrow click-through rates, a key metric for understanding how your interactive content is performing. Whether you're new to Outgrow or just trying to fine-tune your tracking strategy, this guide will give you the essential steps to measure engagement effectively. Before we jump in, if you're new to Outgrow, it's an interactive content platform that allows you to create quizzes, calculators, surveys, and more. It's a great tool for boosting engagement and conversions. And the best part? You can try it out for free right now by clicking the link below, where we're offering exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Now, tracking click-through rates, CTR, with Outgrow might seem a little tricky at first, but it's essential for measuring how well your interactive content is engaging your audience. The good news is, it's fairly simple once you know where to look. When you create your Outgrow content, whether it's a quiz, survey, or a calculator, you'll want to track how often people click on specific actions, like submitting their information or moving through different stages of your interactive experience. This gives you valuable insight into how well your audience is interacting with your content and if your calls to action are driving the desired results. To start, Outgrow gives you detailed analytics right within the platform. You can view the click-through rates for each step of your interactive content. For example, if you're running a quiz, you can track how many users clicked to start the quiz, how many completed the quiz, and how many interacted with each individual question. This lets you pinpoint which parts of your content are working and which might need a little tweaking. One of the most useful features in Outgrow for tracking CTR is the built-in integrations with analytics tools like Google Analytics. By connecting Outgrow with Google Analytics, you can track the user journey more granularly. This allows you to pull in deeper insights, like user demographics and behavior patterns, to further refine your strategy. You can also set up conversion goals in Google Analytics to measure how many people take a desired action after interacting with your content. For instance, if you're using Outgrow to collect leads through a quiz or survey, you can set up a goal in Google Analytics to track the exact moment a user submits their information, providing you with a clear picture of how many clicks actually convert into leads. If you're using Outgrow's native analytics, you'll also get reports on the average completion rate, the number of clicks and drop-offs at each step of your content. This is where you can start seeing patterns. For instance, if a lot of people drop off at a particular question in your quiz, it might indicate that the question is too complicated or unclear. This insight allows you to refine your content for better user engagement and higher click-through rates. Now, if you really want to take your click-through rate tracking to the next level, Outgrow lets you set up A/B tests. A/B testing is a game changer because it helps you compare different versions of your content to see which one performs better. By testing headlines, questions, or even different calls to action, you can optimize your content for higher engagement. Tracking CTR across these different versions will give you a solid understanding of what's working best. At the end of the day, tracking click-through rates is all about testing, analyzing, and optimizing. The more you track your CTR, the better you'll understand how your audience interacts with your content, and the more you'll be able to fine-tune your approach to boost conversions. Just to wrap up, if you're looking to dive deeper into tracking click-through rates or getting started with Outgrow, don't forget to click the link below to access an exclusive extended free trial. Outgrow's features can really help you ramp up your digital marketing game by giving you all the tools you need to track and improve your interactive content performance. Remember, understanding how to track Outgrow click-through rates is just one piece of the puzzle. Keep experimenting, keep testing, and always be looking for ways to engage your audience better.